Hello and welcome. I'm Courtney Burgess and I'm here at WHITBY OSHAWA Honda, where we've got city deals with a country feel. And today we're just going to go through how to change your skin in the 2016 Honda Civic. We're currently in a 2016 Honda Civic Coupe Touring. All sorts of great features, but these will work on the newer model Civics to change the skin. So as you can see there, we went into settings, system settings, and then right down to the very bottom. To get to the bottom, I went actually up because it is right at the very bottom of that whole list. And then I just went in to change the skin and selected it from there. It can get a little confusing from the next page here because now you've changed your skin, you're all set up a little bit differently than it was before, and things are a little spread out. However, we're looking for the same options. So go right back to settings and system settings once again. And so I'll show you, it is right at the bottom there, although I just clicked up last time. I'm going to go all the way down. And there's change skin, same as before. So it's easy to get in and out of both options. When in doubt though, if you're ever absolutely lost and confused, you can never do too much damage when you go into the system settings, and you always have your default button to send it back to the original factory reset there for the settings. And that just about covers a bunch of great ways to switch through the skins right there. I'm Courtney Burgess at WHITBY OSHAWA Honda. Thanks and have a great day.